Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. I was just reading a fascinating story about how a man was working on his dirt bike. Let's go take a look, shall we?
What was it, 250? Is it 300 now? Got the T-hose in place here for the Samco hose kit. I guess there's a special tool to get the pipe out. I didn't know about that, so I ended up doing mine the hard way. But anyway, it's out. Funny thing was, the system was different on here for the power valves. On the 300 kit, the new one I got, it has the Z dimension adjuster on this side instead of the other side, and I wasn't familiar with that, so that took me a couple of minutes to figure out and a little bit of digging. See right here, you got your Z adjustment right there. I don't know if that's clear. Anyway, so the rest of it pretty straightforward. Put a 0.5 gasket in it, and everything else is well worked out. It's nice to know most of the numbers that you need are in the book. The bolt tension on the head, and Z dimension, and piston clearance, all those good things. Anyway, we'll get back to it. Here it is, ready for the art. Couple stickers to take off yet, but basically ready to go. Clean filter, new plug, all the parts that, even those little tie down eyelets. So, talk more about it tomorrow. Pretty tired.
I think we all know how this story ends.
So after about 15 to 20 hours of wrenching and fixing and fussing, got the bike together. This is going to be the first startup of it. There's not even fuel in the carburetor yet. This is very exciting for me to see if everything works the way it's supposed to. I think we're going to have a pretty good result. So let's put a little fuel in it. I thought I had a Prestone leak. I just forgot to put the cap on the radiator tank. So that seems to be good. Everything else seems to be holding good. No oil leaks. That stopped where it's supposed to. So we should be ready to go. Now, let's see how it goes. I don't know if it'll go first go, but we'll do what we can. Put the choke on. Well, it's running pretty good. A little bit of smoke from some Prestone that leaked off on the pipe, but seems like everything's okay. I'll do a close check again, and I think we're ready to go on the trail.
What a happy ending. That's a masterpiece if you ask me.